Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying the last line of the 8th page and the first one on the 9th page of the Al-Qaeda Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. Okay, so the first letter is Ba, the second one is Ain, the third one is Dal. Ba Ain Dal. Ba Ain Dal. The first letter is Ta, the second one is Ghain, the third one is Dal. Ta Ghain Dal. Ta Ghain Dal. So this is Hamza. It's one way of writing Hamza. This one is called chair. It's alif, but has no use except it is used as a chair. So Hamza sits on the chair. It's called Hamza. Hamza. So wow, here wow is used as a chair for Hamza. 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 Here ya is used as a chair for Hamza. Okay. Hamza. Hamza. Fa on its own. Fa. Fa. Qaf on its own. Qaf. Qaf. Wow on its own. Wow. Wow. The first letter is Qaf, the second is Wow. Qaf, Wow. Qaf, Wow. The first letter is Fa, the second one is Wow. Fa, Wow. Fa, Wow. The first letter is Fa, the second one is Qaf, the third one is Lam. Fa, Qaf, Lam. Fa, Qaf, Lam. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will practice those two lines 10 times to give you enough practice, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.